bag on the counter, receipt inside, jacket paid for, and a plastic lock still clamped to the sleeve? There's a fix that takes 5 seconds and costs nothing. But first, this thing isn't locked. There's no key anywhere. Everyone assumes it's a lock. Search it and you get scissors, freezers, hammers. Every single one of those makes it worse. Here's the strange part. The cashier never unlocks it. They press it on a pad. 1 second, gone. Theory 1. Just cut it. Many tags hold a sealed vial of permanent dye. Cut it wrong, and the jacket dies. That dye is designed to never come out. You didn't steal anything, and you still lost the jacket. Theory 2. Freeze it, smash it, burn it. The shell breaks where it wants to. If there's ink inside, you just aimed it at yourself. So what's actually holding it shut? Inside sits a tiny, spring-loaded grip. Picture a hand made of steel fingers. Those fingers squeeze a groove in the pin. Push in, they slide. Pull out, they only bite harder. The pad is a magnet. It pulls every finger open at the same moment. The pin just falls out. Twist. Some tags have no mechanism at all. Flat sticker labels are just antennas. Peel it off, done. And the myth that ink tags are bluffing? They aren't. Treat every bulb of liquid as loaded. The real fix? Walk into any branch of that chain with your receipt. They pop it off, free, in seconds. 3 words. Identify, don't force, return. Identify the tag. Never force it. Return it to any store. The lock was never a lock. Most things that look sealed are just waiting for the right pull. Solvely mind.